Have you given up on your New Year's resolutions already? I thought so. But did you know that by the second week of January, 80 to 90% of people have given up already? In fact, the second Friday in January is commonly referred to as Quitter's Day. Now, whilst this bugs me, what bugs me even more, and it should you, is that 85% of people who make New Year's resolutions continue to believe the impact will have lasting effects, and yet research suggests only 9% manage to stick to them. Now, of course, if you have ADHD, that number has got to be even lower, which is pretty damn sad. But it's also why come every January, every year, I'm on a mission to get you off that merry-go-round. In other words, stop doing New Year's resolutions, okay? After all, it's madness doing the same thing over and over, expecting to get different results, right? If you have ADHD, we get a dopamine rush daydreaming about some massive juicy goal, but then we become paralyzed by doubt or fear and how big it seems. And then our initial sizzle turns quickly into a fizzle. Now, this is happening to everyone, but of course, when you have ADHD, the allure of the new year is very addictive for dopamine-starved brains like ours. New Year's resolutions seem sparkly and new to our dopamine-starved brains, but in reality, it's an illusion, and the sparkle only lasts a few days. So, are you ready to get off this merry-go-round? Are you ready to stop going through the motions? I hope so. And if you are, I invite you to forget New Year's resolutions altogether, forget them for good, and instead welcome you to ADHD-friendly goal setting. I mean, really ADHD-friendly. The trick is to think less is more and make it achievable and doable. Make it so easy and small a step that you think it's a done deal. Now, of course, I can already hear you saying, but because of my ADHD, I really struggle to stick to new habits. And I get you, which is why I invite you keep watching my content, because I'm going to show you how it's possible, despite or even because of your uniquely wired brain. Now, if you're eager to get off to a flying start in 2025 and ready to learn an all-in-one ADHD-friendly goal-setting system, which is powered by Hypnosis, then I invite you to attend the Goal Crusher 25 workshop that I'm hosting live online on 29th of January. You can find all the details below this video. So I look forward to meeting you soon and helping you become the next ADHD Goal Crusher. Anyway, thank you for listening, and bye for now.